Hello guys, welcome back to tutorial millennial channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add angel me effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First open the CapCut apps and click on new project. Add the photo that you want to edit because the effect only just for the photo. So choose the photo that you want to edit. This one, click at the bottom. Now I will show you, this is the original photo like this, and then in here you just click on the photo and then click on the style. This one, click on the style, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see angel me effect. This one, click on it and the effect has been like this. And after this you can click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add angel me effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.